By the light of the moon, the cage you cannot see. A healing shadow puppet theater performance. Cast. Narrator. Princess, voice only, soft, echoing. Yusive Con, voice only, deep, distorted. 5 ninja puppets. Stillness, sits, listens. Speed, darting and running. Shield, protective stance. Strike, ready to fight. Spiral, spinning or shifting. Act 1, the echo in the dark. Narrator. By the light of the moon, there was once a voice, gentle, strong, but hidden. A voice trapped not in chains, but in confusion. The land was quiet. But the moon listened. And from 5 corners of the world, shadows rose to answer the call. Each ninja enters from a different angle and takes a silent pose. Whispering begins. Princess, soft and echoing. Can you hear me? I'm lost. I'm caged. There are no walls. No bars. But I cannot leave. Act 2, the cage with no walls. Narrator. The ninjas, each with their own strength, tried to free her. Ninja, strike. Jumps into action, slashing the air. I will break the chains. Princess, voice fading in and out. He says I'm safe here. He says the world will hurt me. He says I chose this. Ninja, speed. Dashes around frantically. Where is she? I hear her, but she's nowhere. Ninja, shield. Holds a wide defensive stance. Stay back, monster. I'll protect you. Ninja, spiral. Spins in a slow confused circle. I don't know what's real anymore. Ninja, stillness. Sits cross-legged. Quiet. Then speaks slowly. Shu. Listen. Not to save. To see. All ninjas stop moving. Act 3, the invisible enemy. Narrator. And then they heard it, the true trap. Not a wall. Not a lock. But a voice in her mind. Princess. He says I can't survive without him. He says no one will believe me. He says I am safer in silence. Whispers become a rumble. Yusive Con's distorted voice enters. Yusive Con, deep and warped. She is mine. You cannot save what wants to stay. She is weak. She needs me. Ninja, strike. Lies. Strikes down at the shadow, slicing the word weak from the air. Ninja, shield. You don't get to define her anymore. Creates a barrier around the princess's voice. Ninja, spiral. I see her. I see her now. She's in the belief, not in a place. Ninja, speed. I bring her memories. Runs and returns with symbols, sun, laughter, a heart. Remember who you are. Ninja, stillness. You were never small. You were never wrong. You were only told you were. Act 4, the light within the shadow. Narrator. The cage was made of shame, fear, and silence. But the voice remembered itself. And the shadow began to glow. Princess, stronger now. I gave him my light. I now take it back. I am not invisible. I was never gone. A soft light glows where she was trapped. Her shadow appears on the wall, free and walking toward the ninjas. All ninjas, in unison. By the light of the moon. You found yourself. Final scene, the shadow walks free. All shadows walk forward together, calm and united. Narrator, closing. Not all prisons have walls. Not all saviors wear armor. Sometimes, the only way to fight the dark is to listen until the light returns. End. This healing tale is brought to you by Inkfluence of Art, where shadows become stories and stories become healing.
By the light of the moon, where the shadows move slow, there's a whisper in the silence only seekers know. Love is hidden, lost in fear, caged in words we cannot hear. But the ninjas rise, one by one, to find the truth undone. By the light of the moon, where the heart begins to bloom, in the hush of the dark, we ignite a spark and free what's trapped in gloom. By the light of the moon, where silence starts to sing, we fight with stillness, heal with sight, and love regains her wings. Yusive Con, the voice of doubt, twists the truth to keep her out. Gaslight echoes, silent chains, wounds that wear no name, but stillness waits and courage hears, and spiral spins through hidden fears. The self returns, the veil is torn, and love is not the same. By the light of the moon, where the lost become the wise, every shadow holds a key to what the cage denies. By the light of the moon, let the healing truth be known. We reclaim our names, unbind the flames, and bring our love back home. Not all battles roar, some whisper, some restore.